Mr. Burgard, Mr. Andrew Holness. 12 days of mourning. 12 days of mourning for the Queen. The Bible says, when Smile dead, we must rejoice. Let's rejoice and about the foolishness. Okay? 12 days of mourning, and you want to lock down entertainment because you want the 12 days of mourning for the Queen? Andrew, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Mr. Honorable Bogard.
Okay, people, before we continue with the bagga, I need to address the situation at hand. People, the whole world is laughing at us right now. You see me, I say, because of our leader broke out. And I mean, it's like we're the only African nation in the Western Hemisphere that's bawling over our oppressor. And I mean, now I'm seeing headlines going around in Jamaica saying that the Queen was a close friend of Jamaica. And this for sure, you said these media outlets is run by the elites to push their narrative. Because no way the Queen was any friends to any of these slaves in Jamaica. You see me, I say? And that for sure is Jamaicans are still slaves, because why would Bro God follow the Commonwealth law them when the Queen of the monarch did 12 days of no activities and all of these things. People have to go work and all of this stuff, you feel what I'm saying? So this is why everybody is laughing at the Jamaicans, you know. Even Trinidad is saying that them now man over an oppressor, you feel me? And a lot of people is saying that she never stole nothing, because, you know, all the jewels that them wear stolen from Africa and India and all of these places. But the Queen is nothing but an individual that is head of a enterprise, a criminal enterprise that's still running. Now we know when the mafia goes to court and lose, the Babylon boy, then them take everything that the mafia have, you know what I mean? And they can't profit from proceeds from crimes, you know what I mean? And these families is still proceeding from crime proceeds. Because what do all Jamaicans suffer from? Taxes. Yes, all of these taxes that underpaid that's supposed to build the infrastructure of the island is not doing that. It's going into the Queen's pocket. You feel what I'm saying? So I just have to put that out there, because bro gotta make all of it look like idiot, you know. Me say, yeah, Americans, I say, yo, Jamaicans is stupid. Boy, you know what, people, let's just proceed, yo.
Yeah. And then I tell you, it's a killer go look for Tommy Lee the first night over Riverton. And that done, the show mash up Tommy Lee, them have run out of ME news. And the next day, the man go up at Tommy Lee show, go take it. Tommy Lee have run out of ME again. And that's what Tommy Lee said, no, me done it.
Yes, that little 14-second clip got Tommy Lee's attention. And he put it on his Instagram page and he captioned it, watch him. But him near hashtag Bigfoot snoring. You know that's from iShadow's song. From Shapelifters Box You. You start seeing and hear things about Tommy Lee. Run. Remember the demon bread shot, you know. Hashtag shop talk, I better you stop talk. Hashtag lie. Hashtag I love still. At Miss Legendary, come bring your friend. Go to doctor. Hashtag please and thanks. Why, man, I think Aishana have no time for Bigfoot snoring, you know, because, you know, she just signed international record label deal. You know what I mean? Why, people, at this time, we don't just have to just listen to Foota hype talk, you know, because that's what he is known for doing, talking. You know what I mean? Ever since he migrated to the United States in the 2015, 2016, he has been doing shop talk in the barbershop. You feel me? But nevertheless, it's all love, like Tommy Lee said. Tommy Lee now send the demon figure box up Foota hype again. You see me? I say, boy. I two things now like a Foota hype name, you know. Aishana and the alien them, you know. But anyway, I'm just gonna give you that update while I'm going from what that I go on. From Uncle Demon and hashtag Bigfoot snoring. But before we proceed, boy, I look on the bleacher them on the screen. One day if I time I leave, you know what, let me leave the bleaching people them alone, you see me, I say, because trust. Me don't want mama come fire me up, you see me. Now, you know what, me need to start a new channel where we can discuss these type of topics about Jamaica, you know, because, you know, run yourself mixy. You see me, I say, but there's a lot of important things that we need to discuss as a family run, yes, so you see me, because trust me, people, me I say from what day, yeah, a father who fled with his 1-year-old daughter was found dead. You know what I mean? This father who fled with his daughter last evening because of a domestic dispute with his spouse, is believed to have committed suicide. You know what I mean? And that's okay. You know what I mean? If one wants to take their life, let them do it. You see me, I say. But what shocked me is when me read said the boy shoot him baby in the bushes before taking his life. Like, this is crazy. You know what I mean? Because his body was found Thursday morning with gunshot wounds in the bushes at Brown's House, St. Catherine. Head of the St. Catherine North Police Senior Superintendent Howard Chambers disclosed. The 1-year-old child, people, had bloodstains on parts of her body and is being transported to a hospital for observation. Chambers said that the man's identity is being withheld pending confirmation. The police, however, confirmed that he is an ex-security officer. Ah, boy, you know, there's a lot of things going on in Jamaica at one time, you know. The people them stress out. On top of that, the people them not really educated, you know. Them illiterate, you see me, I saying that brings ignorance. And the people them just plain over mad. You see me, I say, because me don't know what could have caused this now, you know. You know what I mean? I don't want to say that his youth was a jacket, but it seems to be logical. You see me, I say, if he can't be the daddy, nobody can be. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, like I said, I can start a new channel where we talk about these things, but I just wanted to give you an update that the baby is in stable condition right now, you know? You see me, I say.
I can't help it. I'll forever love Mama Spice. You understand? Domineering bitch, but she knows what she wants. Well, she says she don't want our man because I'm controlling. But I do believe that when a woman find a man, you know, him not look bad at all. Yeah, and I tell me, I say, you know, revenge is mine because I just start up something with him. But me say, no, a Spice man that, you know, he started to grow on her, you know, as Beauty Bling would say, you know. And we really not do them things there. But yeah. I'm really sad that they had to break up. If Spice could just know how to balance things and know so when she have a man she can't be a dirty bungle. Type the things, Mary. You can't be dirty bungle. So you have to me say you left your man because what? You don't want to stop wind up on stage and open up your crotches and oh my gosh, I didn't expect to win the award. I will figure, sir. Nothing nigga, sir, bitch. You understand? Let me tell you, one day, my girl, you have to go retire, just like everybody else out of dance hall. And you're going to need a man by your side. Your Uzi are going miserable, no blood clot. So, if you go through this thing, try to hold on to both. Man, the ring.
I don't know how people could be vexed with dancehall empress, you know, Amari, who captioned it. Amari tried to date Spice boyfriend, LOL. You know, I'm just say I interview with Spice, who says she not Mr. Rasta, you know. You see me, I said that for sure, you see, the relationship was fake. You know what I mean? Because a man who there, you had for 3 Christmas, you know, some type of feelings have to be there.
Ex-boyfriend.
I know y'all
So I know y'all was matching and everything. You miss him? Nah. No?
You miss your ex?
No.
We see it in your eyes, we see it on your nose, we see it on your mouth.
Yo, and let me tell you something, Bobby. Mira, God.
But like she said, she makes the extra money because you know Rasta did have expire for over 100,000 for investing in business. You see me as anyway, people, I don't want longer that longer. You see me as don't forget to like, share, subscribe over here, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.